Generic drug marketing authorization holders in Japan import about 60% of their APIs from overseas. However, these companies also have a range of concerns. They include, does manufacturing and marketing these drugs in Japan raise any patent issues? Isn't it hard to find trustworthy suppliers of APIs? Do overseas API manufacturers understand Japan's pharmaceutical laws and quality standards? Can we ensure a fast and stable supply of APIs? These concerns must be addressed for overseas suppliers to provide generic APIs in Japan. That's why our mission is a safe, reliable, inexpensive, and stable supply of APIs. As your best partner for generics, Koa Shoji will help you find solutions. Koa Shoji is dedicated to the import and sales of generic APIs. For a quarter century, we have imported quality APIs and intermediates from international suppliers and provided them to marketing authorization holders in Japan. This experience has enabled us to build a support system for all facets of work involving APIs. One obstacle that must be overcome in generic drug development in Japan is patents. Koa Shoji uses its own database to verify patents on candidate APIs and produces reports and documentation to provide the information that generic marketing authorization holders need. Isn't it hard to find trustworthy suppliers of APIs? This is another concern that Japan's generic marketing authorization holders face. Koa Shoji works with more than 110 partners in over 10 countries to introduce reliable API manufacturers with solid GMP control. We also conduct a wide range of surveys on manufacturers and suppliers, beginning with the process before the starting materials. And to enable overseas manufacturers to supply APIs in Japan with peace of mind, we also offer accreditation support and DMF in-country caretaker assistance. The main concern of Japan's generic marketing authorization holders when importing APIs is, do overseas manufacturers understand Japan's pharmaceutical laws and quality standards? In addition to Japanese domestic standards including GMP, Koa Shoji works to accurately convey quality-related demands from generic marketing authorization holders to overseas manufacturers. And when manufacturers need assistance meeting those demands, we offer solutions for improvements. At SI Center, our synthesis research facility, we conduct research on actual synthesis and refinement, on manufacturing methods to reduce impurities, and on cost reduction methods. And for overseas manufacturers, we can provide scientifically based explanations on Japan's quality standards. For generic marketing authorization holders, after completing production of a generic drug, ensuring a fast and stable supply of APIs is a major concern. To address this concern, Koa Shoji selects manufacturers with a record of stable API supply in North America and Europe. And in addition to our base in Yokohama, we have opened a new Osaka office with an on-site laboratory and an API warehouse. Our locations in both East and West Japan have enabled us to provide customers with high quality and highly reliable APIs within the time frames they request. Having bases in Japan's eastern and western regions also makes us better prepared to handle disasters and other unforeseen circumstances. To collect the latest information from overseas, Koa Shoji takes a proactive role in international pharmaceutical exhibitions, always seeking opportunities to find new international partners. We also provide up-to-date information on Japan's pharmaceutical regulations regularly to overseas manufacturers. Our Yokohama and Osaka offices also include Pharmaceutical Analysis Center. Here, we use LC mass, ICP mass, and other state-of-the-art equipment, along with a sampling room featuring an isolator. Our highly trained analysts conduct quality testing, standards and test method preparations, determination of measurement values, and more. We also confirm quality according to our own standards to promote the development of APIs. Koa Shoji Holdings was established in 2015 when 4 group companies, including Koa Shoji, were brought under one umbrella. These 4 companies are the leading importer of APIs, Koa Shoji, a marketing authorization holder and contract manufacturer of drugs focused on injections, Koa Issei, our drug packaging and generic drug manufacturing and marketing company, Koa Biotech Bay, and the OTC drug manufacturer and marketer, Koa Pharmaceutical. With these 4 companies handling APIs, manufacturing and marketing, packaging, and OTC drugs, we strive to be your best partner for generics. The world of generic drugs is in constant transition. At Koa Shoji, in order to meet stringent requirements for safe, reliable APIs and supply them stably to generics marketing authorization holders in Japan, we will continue to strengthen our bonds with international API suppliers.